Following the India's Got Latin row, YouTuber Ashish Chanchlani took to social media with an emotional video. Fighting back tears, he urged people to pray for him and his family and assured his fans that he would fight through this difficult time. He emphasized that his work has taken a hit due to the controversy but vowed to continue working hard and learning from the experience. Listen in to what he had to say.
हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हो आप लोग? आई नो आप लोग के मैसेजेस पढ़े मैंने। चल रहा है। मैंने सोचा स्टोरी पे आप लोगों से आके बात कर लेता हूँ, बट अभी स्टोरी चालू की तो समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है क्या कहूँ। लड़ लेंगे सिचुएशन से, देखे ऐसे टफ टाइम्स, ये भी सीख लेंगे कुछ नया। मैं बस रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ आप लोगों से, आप मेरी फैमिली और मुझे अपने प्रेयर्स में रखना। जब भी हम वापस आए, मैं वापस आऊँ, काम मेरा थोड़ा इधर उधर हो गया है, बट जब भी वापस आए आप सपोर्ट करना। विल वर्क हार्ड, आई विल वर्क हार्ड, आई हैव ऑलवेज वर्कड हार्ड। बस ध्यान रखो सब लोग अपना।
Ashish, who was one of the panelists on comedian Samay Raina's controversial show India's Got Latin, appeared before the Assam police on Thursday and recorded his statement. A senior official confirmed the development to news agency ANI. However, none of the other judges present on the panel during the controversial episode, including Ranveer Allahabadiya, Samay Raina, Apurva Mukhija, and Jaspreet Singh, have complied with the notices served to them. Assam police have stated that legal action will follow as per procedure. Ashish, accompanied by his lawyer, recorded his statement before Guwahati Police's crime branch. Joint Police Commissioner Ankur Jain stated, and I quote, "We recorded his statement and since he cooperated with our investigation, we let him go. If needed, he will be called again." End quote.
Today, Ashish Chanchlani, one of the named accused, FIR named accused, has come to crime branch and we have recorded his statement. And after, as he has cooperated with us, so we have allowed him to go. And he has supported. He has told us that he'll come appear before us whenever is required. Ranveer Allahabadiya, Samay Raina, Apurva Mukhija, and Jaspreet Singh. These are the other FIR named accused. And one is the habitat which we have served notice to get the information, where this show has been shot.
Is there any communication with the other?
We have served the notices. But they have not complied till yet. So we'll looking into it. As per the legal procedure, we will take action.
Before this, the YouTuber had secured interim bail from the Guwahati High Court on February 18th. He now faces legal trouble alongside other panelists for allegedly promoting obscenity and engaging in explicit discussions during the show. The controversy erupted when Ranveer Allahabadiya, popularly known as Beer Biceps, made a crass remark that sparked public outrage. An FIR was lodged on February 10th against all panelists, accusing them of promoting obscenity. The case has now escalated, with multiple FIRs filed in different locations. Last week, Allahabadiya moved the Supreme Court, requesting that the cases against him be merged. While granting him interim bail, the top court also reprimanded him for his remarks. With legal proceedings intensifying, the focus now shifts to the other accused panelists who are yet to comply with the summons. Will they appear before Assam police or will further legal action follow? Stay tuned for more updates.